everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at an absolutely gorgeous 1986 Chevrolet Iroc-Z 28, 30,000 actual mile, two-owner car, and killer. First time in all the years of doing this, I've never owned a black Iroc with red interior. First chance I've actually had to own one. Bought this car locally from a gentleman. Him and his wife bought this car in 1988. They were the second owner on it. They've had it ever since. Unfortunately, she has passed away. But great car. Original paint. Almost everything on this car is actually original. He did replace the tires. He said a few years ago he put a heater core in the car. What else did he say he did? Oh, it's got a different radio in it. But pretty much just bone stock, 30,000 mile Iroc. Very cool car. I'll tell you, we didn't do much to it as far. We cleaned it up a little bit. We didn't even use a heavy wax on it, guys. We actually just use Adam's detail spray. Because I know people are funny about original paint and stuff like that. They don't want them kind of messed with, so we really didn't. So you can kind of nitpick this here a little bit, but I think if you wanted to put a heavy coat and cut on it, I think that stuff would come right out. Couple little marks, stress marks on that front nose, but other than that, just gorgeous car. T-top car, the T-top bags are in there. Love that red interior. Oh, he replaced the shocks in this too. So they work. Power trunk release, it works. T-top bags, like I say, are in there. Rear defog. He's a mechanic too. I can't remember where he said he worked, but he actually worked here locally. Now he's up north, and a neat car, man. Yeah, we didn't cut and buff it. We didn't do anything like that. Like I say, this, other than some detail spray, that's it. Gorgeous car. Beautiful car. Factory aluminum wheels. Again, he did replace those tires. Sorry, we've got some hand fingerprints on the doors here. We pulled it out front, and of course everybody wants to grab the doors and look at it. Pretty car right there. Oh, it's got alarm on it too. That's the other thing that's on this car. It's a 5-liter 2-port fuel injection car, automatic overdrive trans, and power steering, disc brakes, air. I believe he said this is R12, and it's going to need a charge, so we may end up just converting that. I don't know if we have any R12 around here anymore. It does have an alarm on it. Turn the key. I put a couple miles on it. I didn't drive it a ton, but turn the key and cruise it, man. Hits the road just like it should. And he said it just kind of had been sitting, and that's why he decided to sell it. He actually moved up north, and that's the only reason he kind of let it go. He said it's going to be sitting. He's got some cars, and he said it was just time to let this one go. Let it get a new home. I think the original owner was a lady as well. Dual sport mirrors. All your original door tags. Power locks. Remote mirror. It's got your typicals 80s cracks and all of those did that. Power driver's seat and it works. Factory bucket seat, center console, power windows, tilt, cruise. Again, rear defog. Doesn't even look like a back seats have been sat in. Overhead console. 30,028 miles. Oh, and the temp gauge, we're gonna have to take a look at that. He did tell me that. You can see it's pegged. Said it just stopped working. The aftermarket Alpine stereo system in it. So we will have to check into that. He thinks it might be the sending unit or it could be the gauge. We'll have to check into that. Again, power trunk. Spare is in here. It's got the sunshade. T-top bags. I think I said jack with spares in the compartment over there. Again, the power trunk works. Set it down, it closes. Did not do anything underneath. Left it completely alone. So, as always, there'll be photos online. It's got the original exhaust still on it. Car. Great car. This side, same thing. They just all did that, man. That's just a fingerprint on there. This runs and drives as sweet as can be, man. Like I say, AC is going to need a charge. We may have to convert it. Supposed to do that tomorrow, I believe. Fuel gauge works, tach works. The only thing I like to say, that temp gauge is not working. Like 1986 all over again. Radio works, blower motor works, you know, your power windows work. Yep, that's good. Everything opens and closes like it should. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram page, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. You can also subscribe to our website,